Page 55, Camptown Races. Introducing a really fun, common piece, folk song. Stephen Foster is the composer of this. He, back in the 1800s, you can read about him. He wrote a lot of very popular songs that people love to sing. Still do. Camptown Races is one of them. So let's look at it. 2 lines long, 4/4 time. You're in middle C position, I'll just tell you that, and the hands are playing. Most of this, it looks like it's the left hand playing it, and occasionally the right hand gets to play a D. That's about it. So let's look here, here, and they're quarter notes. Then we have a dotted half note. We had that before. Just know it's the same as 3 quarter notes. It gets 3 counts. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. I'll explain more about the dot behind that note a little later on. Just right now, it's the same as 3 quarter notes. And that's really what it is. There's not a lot going on to it. They don't even give you a dynamic. It's up to you how loud you want to sing it. Lively, this is a fun piece. But you got to be accurate. So don't play it faster than you can play it accurately, whatever that is. And it might take you some time to build it up to that speed. That's okay. I don't have a lot to say on it. Let's try it out. I'll give us 4 counts. We're going to go slow, just to check notes and rhythms. 1, 2, ready, go. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.